This is an introductory video for self-service textual analytics for stream processing in manufacturing using the open-source tool Apache StreamPipes. Let's imagine the following situation. Service technicians at different factory locations around the world use their mother tongue in order to file incident reports on occurring machine failures and defects. While this is great for local quality management purposes, it is hard for the machine manufacturer or global quality coordinators to easily identify any potential systematic failures. So the arising question is, how to conduct flexible text data analysis, particularly in cases where necessary language or deep IT skills are not present in the respective company? The answer: by using available open-source technology focused on non-technical users such as Apache StreamPipes in combination with language technology algorithms provided by accessible services on the European Language Grid platform. So what exactly is StreamPipes? In general, StreamPipes is a self-service industrial IoT toolbox focused on non-technical users to connect, explore and analyze IoT data streams. StreamPipes was originally initiated by developers at the FCI Research Center for Information Technology in Karlsruhe in 2015, and was transitioned to the Apache Software Foundation in 2019, where it is further actively developed by a global developer base. In addition, a spin-off evolving around StreamPipes was founded in 2021. StreamPipes lets you easily connect industrial assets within minutes and analyze data by providing a rich set of data connectors and reusable algorithms, and create analytical processing pipelines in a drag-and-drop fashion inside a central pipeline editor. In addition, analyzed data can either be propagated to external third-party services such as databases, or be leveraged internally within a live dashboard or a historical data explorer to quickly harness meaningful insights. Looking under the hood, StreamPipes is more than just a web app. Behind the web UI, StreamPipes' microservice-based architectural design empowered by cloud-native technologies such as Docker and Kubernetes comprises several distinct layers. Thereby, the event-driven application approach in processing pipelines centers around a central message broker in the transport layer for data exchange between connect adapters and pipeline elements, as well as among pipeline elements in a publish-subscribe fashion. This flexible design eases the integration of more ELG services, and therefore extend the set of language technology pipeline elements within StreamPipes. Lastly, the pipeline management builds the core of StreamPipes responsible for all management activities such as element matching and verification during pipeline modeling, or pipeline deployment. In the future, we plan on pursuing the following key activities resulting from lessons learned along the way. In order to better facilitate the integration in existing enterprise architectures, StreamPipes is planned to support standard identity and access management systems such as Keycloak to complement the existing user management. In addition, the work on the StreamPipes Python wrapper to simplify the development of new pipeline elements and especially the integration of ELG services is continued. Similarly, the work on the client API for external pipeline control from code is planned to be pursued. Lastly, the founded spin-off evolving around StreamPipes will further ensure the continuity for the development of core technologies used in the project. If you are interested, you can find more information on StreamPipes on the provided links, or directly get in touch with us via email.